Tension, also known as gauge, refers to how many stitches and rows you need to knit over 10 centimetres or 4 inches to knit to the correct sizes according to the pattern. As knitting styles vary, with some people knitting tightly and others loosely, it's important to check your tension against the tension given in the pattern. Start by using the needles specified in the pattern and cast on a few more stitches than you need to be able to measure 10 centimetres or 4 inches across, and also work some extra rows. Smooth the swatch out on a flat towel, a foam mat or an ironing board, taking care not to stretch it, and then pin it in place. Start at one side and then go to the other side. And you can adjust the pins to make sure that it's not pulling. Next, take a tape measure or a ruler and lay it across the stitches. Place a pin at the start and another at the 10 centimetre or 4 inch mark, and then count your stitches in between the pins. 1 V counts as 1 stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Make a note of the number that you get. Then do the same vertically. Place your tape measure along the rows and put a pin where the tape measures start. And then put another pin at the 10 centimetre or 4 inch mark. And count your rows. Each V represents 1 row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Make a note of how many rows you get in 10 centimetres or 4 inches. If you have more stitches or rows than specified in the pattern, knit another swatch using larger needles. If you have fewer stitches than specified, then knit a swatch using smaller needles. Only when you've adjusted your needle size to achieve the correct tension or gauge should you then start knitting from your pattern.